Good morning, class. Today I will start third part of the chapter Glimpses of India, Tea from Assam. Today I will discuss the theme of the story and the short summary. This story is about a region. Region means here area of tea plantation. The chapter Tea from Assam is regarding tea plantation. Here we get a short description of Assam. Pranjal and Rajveer are two friends. They study in Delhi. Pranjal is from Assam and study in Delhi. No, sorry, Pranjal is from Assam and there his father is manager of a tea garden. Pranjal invites Rajveer to his home town for the summer vacation. They start for Assam. They travel by train. They see wide fields full of tea garden. These sights are very attractive and wonderful for Rajveer. Rajveer feels very excited. He has studied a lot about tea before coming to this place. They get down at Miriani Junction. Pranjal's parents receive them from Miriani Junction and then they go to Pranjal's home. Pranjal's home was Dhekiyabari in Assam. Now short summary. Pranjal and Rajveer start for Assam by train. Pranjal and Rajveer are friends. They study in Delhi. Pranjal hails from Assam. His parents live there. His father is a manager of a tea garden there. Pranjal invites Rajveer to his hometown for summer vacation. They start their journey in a train. On a station, a tea vendor calls Chai Garam Chai. They take tea and sip it. Rajveer tells Pranjal that over 80 crore cups of tea are sipped daily in the world. Once again, the train starts to move. Wonderful sight of tea garden. When the train was moving, they were seeing the beautiful sights of tea gardens. The outside sights were appearing beautiful scenery. Tea bushes spread all around. In the distance, there was an ugly building and it was a tea garden. Tea legends told by Rajveer. Legends means here stories. Now Rajveer started to tell some legends, some stories about the origin of tea. There are many legends about tea. Some are as follows. Legend of China. According to this legend, there was a Chinese emperor who always boiled water before drinking. One day, when the water was being boiled for him, a few leaves of branches fell into the water. It made the taste of water delicious. It was found that those were the tea leaves. Legend of Buddhist ascetic. Ascetic means hermit, monk, sannyasi. According to another legend, there was an ancient Buddhist ascetic. When he was meditating, he felt asleep. So he cut off his eyelids and threw on the ground. 10 tea plants grew out of his eyelids. When their leaves were put into hot water, it banishes the sleep. Vanishes means disappears. Tea first drunk in China. After this, Rajvi told Pranjal that tea was first drunk in China. It was about 2700 BC. Words, words in China, words like chai or chini are from Chinese. Tea reached to Europe in 16th century. At that time, tea was taken as medicine. Their destination, Miriani Junction. Now the train reached Miriani Junction and it was their destination. Pranjal parents received them and then they started for the house of Pranjal. Their house was at Dhikiyabari. It is situated in Assam. The tea bushes were on both sides of the road when they were going from Miriani Junction in a car to Dhikiyabari. The women were plucking new leaves from the tea plantation. Pranjal's fathers appreciated Rajvir's knowledge about tea. Rajvir told Pranjal's father that May to July are the best months for tea plantation. Pranjal's father praised his knowledge. At this, Rajvir told him that now he could learn more in his company about the tea plantation. This is the theme and short summary of the chapter Tea from Assam.